Hello, kids! Welcome to FUNZO Kids. Today we have a super fun story just for you. One sunny day, our friend FUNZO was playing outside and saw a big, beautiful red balloon. The balloon was so shiny and looked so happy floating in the air. FUNZO waved and said, "Hello, balloon." Guess what happened next? The balloon went up and up into the sky. FUNZO laughed and started jumping up and down with joy. It was so exciting to watch. Then, something magical happened. The balloon started sharing its colors. First red, then blue, then yellow. So many pretty colors filled the sky. FUNZO clapped his hands and shouted, "Yay! Thank you, balloon." FUNZO learned that day that sharing is wonderful and makes everyone happy. That's all for today. Friends, remember to share and be happy. Bye-bye. And see you next time on FUNZO Kids.